The rainforest is a large and vibrant ecosystem that covers about 6% of the Earth's surface. It is characterized by high levels of rainfall and humidity, which support a diverse range of plant and animal species. Rainforests are found in tropical regions around the equator, including South America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. These forests are incredibly important for the planet's biodiversity as they are home to more than half of the world's plant and animal species. The canopy layer of the rainforest is especially rich in life, with countless species of birds, monkeys, and insects living among the dense foliage. Unfortunately, rainforests are under threat from deforestation and climate change. The destruction of these vital ecosystems not only puts countless species at risk of extinction, but also contributes to global warming and loss of habitat for indigenous communities. It is crucial that we work to protect and preserve the rainforest for future generations. By supporting conservation efforts and sustainable practices, we can help ensure that these incredible ecosystems continue to thrive and provide a home for countless plant and animal species.